Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change the default font in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. First open Google Docs. Now select some text in your document. You can type a word or sentence for this step. Now choose the font you want from the font menu in the toolbar. You can also change the font size, text color or other formatting if you want. Now select the text you just formatted. In the toolbar, click the Style menu. Now go to Normal Text and from the list select Update Normal Text to match. Your chosen font will now become the default style for normal text in this document. If you want to apply this to future documents, click the Style menu again and then go to Options, then select Save as my default styles. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.